Welcome back to Auto Hub, your go-to destination for the latest automotive news, car reviews, and all things driving. If you're passionate about cutting-edge car design and future mobility, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. Today we've got something truly exciting for you. Kia has just pulled the wraps off the 2025 Kia K8 new series, and this next-generation model is a bold step forward in luxury, design, and innovation. The K8 has always been known for pushing the boundaries, but the 2025 version takes it to an entirely new level. Let's dive into all the details. Kia first introduced the K8 as a replacement for the Cadenza, and it quickly made waves in the premium sedan market. With the 2025 update, Kia is showing the world it's not just competing, it's aiming to lead. From its sleek exterior design to its advanced technology features, this new K8 is redefining what a modern luxury sedan should be. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kia K8 presents a futuristic and athletic silhouette. It features a more prominent sculpted front grille that Kia refers to as the Opposites United design language, a harmony of sharp angles and flowing curves that blend elegance with aggression. The new signature star map lighting adds a distinctive character, giving the car an unmistakable look both day and night. This isn't just a refresh, this is a design overhaul that demands attention. Along the sides, you'll notice cleaner lines, a longer wheelbase, and aerodynamic enhancements that hint at performance. Flush door handles, new alloy wheel options ranging up to 20 inches, and a fastback-style roofline complete the look of a vehicle that's clearly aimed at turning heads wherever it goes. At the rear, the LED taillight design now spans the width of the car, creating a striking visual impact. It's not just about looking good. Every element seems engineered to improve airflow and efficiency. Kia has worked hard to make the K8 stand out in a very competitive segment, and we think they've succeeded. But it's once you step inside the 2025 Kia K8 that you really understand the leap forward. The cabin is more than just comfortable, it's a statement. Kia has focused on premium materials, craftsmanship, and user-centric technology. From the soft touch surfaces to the quilted Nappa leather seats, everything feels upscale and thoughtfully designed. Front and center is the new panoramic curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated into one sweeping unit. This setup not only looks stunning but also delivers an intuitive user experience. Kia's latest infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and customizable widgets that make daily driving easier and more connected. Ambient lighting, ventilated and heated seats, multi-zone climate control, and a premium Meridian sound system are just a few features that add to the luxury feel. Rear passengers are not left out either. There's ample legroom, seat recline functionality, and even optional touchscreen controls for climate and entertainment. Details usually reserved for high-end German sedans. Under the hood, the 2025 K8 New Series offers a range of powertrain options, including a 3.5-liter V6 engine, a 1.6-liter turbo hybrid, and for the first time, a plug-in hybrid variant is expected to join the lineup. Kia hasn't released all the performance numbers yet, but they promise improved fuel efficiency, smoother acceleration, and quieter operation, thanks to enhanced insulation and drive. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, the new K8 offers a driving experience that balances comfort with confidence. Adaptive suspension and drive mode settings allow you to tailor the ride to your mood, whether you want a calm cruise or a more dynamic experience. Safety and driver assistance systems have also taken a leap forward. The 2025 K8 is equipped with Kia's latest DriveWise suite, which includes features like Highway Driving Assist 2, Smart Cruise Control with Machine Learning, Blind Spot View Monitor, Forward Collision Avoidance with Intersection Support, and Remote Smart Parking Assist. These aren't just buzzwords. These systems genuinely enhance safety and reduce driving stress. What's even more impressive is how Kia has managed to combine all of this with a focus on sustainability. Eco-friendly materials are used throughout the interior, and energy efficiency is a key theme in both design and function. The 2025 K8 is proof that you can have luxury, performance, and responsibility in a single package. While pricing details are yet to be officially confirmed, industry experts anticipate that the new K8 will remain competitively priced, starting around the mid-$40,000 0 range, depending on the trim and powertrain options. For a car that offers this level of technology, comfort, and performance, that's quite compelling. So who is the 2025 Kia K8 for? It's for the modern driver who appreciates luxury but doesn't want to follow the crowd. It's for someone who wants innovation without sacrificing comfort. And it's for those who see their car not just as transportation, but as an experience. With the K8 new series, Kia isn't just evolving, they're setting a new benchmark for what's possible in the executive sedan category. Whether you're a longtime Kia fan or someone who's never considered the brand before, the 2025 K8 is a car that demands a second look. That wraps up our deep dive into the all-new 2025 Kia K8 new series. What do you think about Kia's latest flagship sedan? Do you see it as a game-changer in the luxury sedan segment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car news, reviews, and launches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Auto Hubs, and we'll be back soon with more exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.